Welcome back to Section 8. I am Rimi, your host. You are doing a spectacular job. We have already learned how to say our name, country, age, job, family, and hobbies. Now we are going to add a little more detail to our introduction. We are going to talk about our daily routine. Daily routine means the things you do every day, from morning until night. Talking about your day helps people understand your life better. It is very simple to explain when you use easy words. Let us learn the question people might ask you. They might ask, "What is your daily routine?" Or they can ask, "What do you do every day?" Let us repeat the second question together. What do you do every day? What do you do every day? Repeat after me. What do you do every day? To answer this, we talk about time and simple actions. Let us start with the morning. You can say, "I wake up at 6 a.m. Let us practice different times for waking up. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 8 a.m. After you wake up, what do you do? Let us learn some easy phrases for morning actions. Repeat after me. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. Let us connect these actions using the word then. Then means after that. Listen to how it sounds. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then, I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Let us practice saying that together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then, I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Now let us talk about your day, like work or school. You can say, I go to work at 9 a.m. Or, if you are a student, you say, I go to school at 9 a.m. If you work at home, you can say, I start my work at 9 a.m. Let us practice these sentences. Repeat after me. I go to work. I go to school. I start my work. What about the evening? When you finish your day, what do you do? You can say, I come back home in the evening then. You can talk about dinner and sleep. You can say, I eat dinner at 8 p.m. And finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Let us practice these evening phrases. Repeat after me. I come back home. I eat dinner. I go to bed. Let us put a small routine together. Listen to me. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to work at 8:30 a.m. In the evening, I come back home and watch TV. I go to bed at 11 p.m. This is a wonderful addition to your introduction. It shows that you can describe your life smoothly. Let us do a quick practice. Think about the time you wake up and the time you go to bed. I will ask the question and you answer. Rimi, what do you do every day? You, I wake up at, and I go to bed at. Excellent. You are speaking English so well. Your pronunciation is improving every single minute. This is the end of Section 8. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 9.